Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute beginners HIIT workout. So we have 5 different exercises that we're going to go over twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. We'll take a quick break after the first set and repeat that one more time. What we need today is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. Everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. And Tiger says hello! Okay, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 10분 동안 하실 수 있는 전신 고강도 인터벌 트레이닝을 해보겠습니다. 인터벌 트레이닝을 해보신 적이 없으신 분들을 위해서 이 영상을 준비해 보았습니다. 오늘은 총 5가지 운동을 2세트씩 해볼 거고요. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 대신 드신 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 말아 주시고요. 층간소음 없는 동작들이며 그리고 맨몸 운동들입니다. 그리고 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Ready everyone? Big arm circles right here. Reverse it 4, 3, 2, 1. Hamstring curls 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 kicks 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing your arms like side to side.
There is a moment meant for us.
Hip openers 3, 2,
1.
This,
not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me.
Hands on your shoulders, rotate.
Oh, the sky is on fire.
Jog it up for 10 seconds.
The lake has turned to a golden sun.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and
tired.
So first exercise, we're going to start with squat, 2 leg raise. Ready? 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Next one, we are doing inchworm. We're going to walk down into plank and then walk your hands back up.
The sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun.
Here we go. Walk down into plank. Walk your hands back up. Good.
You've been through, why you got scars.
Lots of rain today.
Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no. tattoo you're trying to hide. I think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, but I cannot lie. I am so curious about your life, but you're a stranger trying to hide. What I see is not you, don't deny. I wanna see the rest of you tonight. Seven of you and only one is for real. You spin me around and you make me leave. Seven of you and only me. How can I trust your personality? Seven
Okay, back to
only
squat
one
the
is
leg
for
raise.
real.
Ready?
Let me be the one that makes you feel.
Here we go.
Seven of you and only me. Seven of you and only one is for real.
Say you love me, say you don't.
And inchworm next.
Give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away.
Walk down into plank.
Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
3 plie
I can't wait
squats.
for you forever.
Plie squats.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Here we go.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I've been patient
Squeeze your hips on the way up.
with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it stop. 'Cause I can't
Next one, shoulder tap, knee tap plank.
of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning, I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Oh.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I can't wait. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I for you forever. I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry
Almost there.
and make it stop. 'Cause I can't stand another moment.
Great job, everyone.
Playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing.
And we are done. Get water.
'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling
Shake your arms up, legs out, shoulder stretch, triceps, other side, shoulder stretch, oops, triceps, back stretch, arms up, side to side, up, press up, slowly bend forward. Good job. Glute stretch. Switch. Oops. Heel down, toes up. Hamstring stretch. Calf stretch. Right over left, gently press it down. Switch. And let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we're done for today. Thank you so much, everyone. That was our 10-minute beginner's HIIT workout. Hope you enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And hope you have a great day. And I will see you next time. Bye.